Feeling anxious when you reach for your electric nail clipper? You're not alone. While these buzzing devices may seem harmless, they hide serious risks that could jeopardize your nail health. Imagine it's a chaotic evening, and you plug in your nail clipper thinking you're just dying up. That small act might be setting you up for nail problems you can't ignore. The very convenience of these clippers could be the reason your nails are suffering. Remember the last time you used one. That slight vibration in your hand isn't just a feature, it's a warning sign. Many mistakenly believe electric clippers are simply an upgrade from manual ones, but the consequences can escalate quickly. Over-reliance on these machines can lead to uneven cuts, weakened nails, and painful splits. Instead of a neat trim, you could end up with nails that are more fragile than ever. Have you noticed your nails becoming brittle? You might blame it on your diet or stress, but what if your trusty electric clipper is the culprit? The grinding action can create tiny tears, and those little damages accumulate over time. Picture yourself at a friend's house, casually trimming your nails with that sleek electric clipper. You think you're saving time, but you could be risking your nail health. Then one day, a painful sensation around your nails creeps in. It starts subtly, but soon you realize something is seriously wrong. You search for answers, but you can't connect the dots back to your nail clippers. Frustrating, right? This tension builds because finding solutions isn't just about switching devices, it's about recognizing the warning signs and knowing how to care for your nails properly. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about your health. So, what's the takeaway? The next time you reach for that electric nail clipper, consider the risks. Think about how often you use it and how your nails feel afterward. Your nails deserve better, and so do you. It's time to rethink your nail care routine before it's too late. Have you ever thought about the hidden risks that could be lurking in your nail clipper charger? You might be surprised to learn that this tool you trust could actually be harming your nail health. Many people don't realize that something as simple as an electric nail clipper can lead to significant issues. It's easy to overlook, but those buzzing clippers may not be as beneficial for your nails as you think. Let's dive deeper. When you use this gadget to keep your nails in shape, are you aware of the wear and tear it might be causing? While many assume electric clippers are superior, they can sometimes create tiny tears in your nails, weakening them over time. Picture this: you've just charged your clipper and feel confident as you trim. But improper charging could lead to nail infections. Many users overlook the bacteria that can build up in the charger itself, turning it into a breeding ground for germs. You could be putting your nails at risk every time you clip. The dangers don't stop there. Low-quality chargers can overheat, potentially damaging both the clipper and your nails. Imagine the panic when your device malfunctions mid-switch if it causes more harm than good. Even more concerning, faulty chargers can disrupt the natural oil balance in your skin. That tingling sensation you feel might not just be a sign of a good trim, it could be your skin reacting negatively to the heat or materials in the clipper. So what can you do? Start by inspecting your electric clipper and charger for any signs of wear and tear. If you notice anything unusual, it might be time to reconsider your tool of choice. Ultimately, your nails reflect your overall health, so treat them with care. The next time you reach for that electric clipper, take a moment to think twice. Protect your nails since they're damaged. It can take a long time to heal. Remember, a little caution can go a long way. If you found this information eye-opening, consider learning more about nail care. You deserve to keep your nails healthy, and you might just save yourself from hidden dangers. Have you ever thought about the hidden risks lurking in your bathroom drawer? That sleek electric nail clipper and its charger might seem harmless, but they could be doing more harm than good to your nails. Many people view them as a quick way to keep their nails trimmed, but what if using them might actually jeopardize your nail health? Stick around because there's a surprising twist that could change your perspective. Let's dive into the world of electric nail clippers. They buzz, wear, and slice through nails with ease. However, behind that shiny surface lies a concerning reality. Many of these devices generate heat, which isn't friendly to your nails. Imagine feeling that warmth on your fingertips. Is it comforting, or could it be damaging your nails from within? And what about the chargers? Have you ever left one plugged in overnight? It might seem harmless, but constant charging can lead to battery issues. Picture this: you're preparing for an important event, and suddenly your nail clipper starts sparking. Not exactly the dramatic entrance you want, right? Now visualize this common scenario. You're getting ready for a date. You trim your nails and they look flawless. But just a few days later, they start peeling and breaking. You might blame the weather, but is it really the weather? Or could it be the very tool you relied on? It does stop there. Hygiene is another key issue. These devices can harbor bacteria, especially in hard-to-reach spots. Have you ever considered what might be lurking in your nail clipper? Just thinking about it can be unsettling. Now let's raise the stakes. Imagine you're in a rush and grab that electric clipper without a second thought. You feel a slight sting but brush it off. However, that little irritation could signal a bigger problem. What if that small pinch